Sometimes if you open up simply a CSV file, some problems pop up. I have another file, example.csv, which I open, and if you go through these names, you can directly identify there is an issue. Probably here's in this first name, M-L-L-E-R, an Ü, a German Ü is missing. Yeah, some letter is missing here as well, and so on and so on. You can see different kind of characters which seem not to be correct. What is the background? You might remember that there is an ASCII code. So basically all data is stored in forms of zeros and ones, and it's simply one challenge, one task for Excel to now interpret these zeros and ones and transform it into characters. And of course, there could be different codes. For most of the characters, for most of the most often used characters like A, B, C, that's not a problem because all of the codes use the same format for these usual characters. However, these special characters which differ by country, for example, Ä, Ö, Ü in German, or an A with an accent aigu or accent grave in France. These special characters could be different. And if you then choose the wrong coding table, things like what we have just seen here might happen. So there should be another option to import this data, and that's what I would like to show you in the next. To import the data, I now have first opened a new worksheet with an Excel. And now it's an XLSX file because I would like to import some more data. I go to this tab Data, and here I choose in the menu Get Data, I choose the option from text. You can see the file menu is popping over, and I'm choosing the same data as I have tried before, namely example. And what you can see here is again these problems we are facing. These Äs, Ös, Üs are missing. What you can see as well, and this is new compared to this import window we have had before, there's a file origin. I can now choose lots of different versions, lots of different codec tables, and I'm just trying to find out which one fits best. So if I choose, for example, Windows ANSI, most of these Äs, Ös, Ü show up. I'm not sure if it's really the perfect one, but it seems to be fine. So I'll continue from here. I can now see it's not comma, it's a semicolon by which everything is separated. I'm fine basically with the rest. I have to decide where I would like to import it. So the table should start in cell A1 and I'm importing it. I can double check and you see it's Müller, it's Büssing, it's something with an accent and so on. So everything seemed to work fine. You have to carefully check, because maybe some of these special characters have fit, others have not fit. So there might be different options to go for to choose the right coding table. But you have to go first for this get data and import from text option. Otherwise it won't work.